Do not dance to the tune of your younger son. This is exactly what you
No,
are
madam.
doing. Well, who will give you?
And
Who
according
will give you?
the police is dancing in the tune of the respondent number 4.
I'll permit you to engage your own stand. You are the son.
My lord, I am the son. There was a direction for payment of rupees 5,000 per month. Subject to condition.
Each 2 sons, 5,000.
My lord, so far as me is concerned, my lord, there was a direction for payment of rupees 5,000 per month. Subject to condition, the amount is to be paid in the bank account, which are supposed to be handed over, or information is to be given by the petitioner. They did not give any information about the bank account. Initially, I made the payment of rupees 60,000 by way of a money order, which they have refused to accept. Consequent, that has been observed in the appeal order. Your lordship will find that. Now, lordship would kindly come.
What do you do?
Well, I have a business. I run a battery shop.
Which shop?
Battery shop.
Battery shop. All right.
No, no,
And
battery shop.
You have a separate flat to stay?
But the lordship would kindly come to page 30 of the writ petition.
What is there?
Well, that is the order passed by the maintenance tribunal. The observation made there in Millet. The whole issue crops up from point number 2. Millet, this is a property which the land belongs to the petitioner. There was initially
Land belongs to the petitioner means?
petitioner. The house constructed over there is a construction made by the respective sons at their cost. That is the
At
their cost. They made the construction.
and the land is in whose name?
Land is in the name of the petitioner.
Land is in the name of the petitioner.
Petitioner happens to be the mother.
Yes.
There was a ground floor building. In the ground floor, the subsequent after the marriage of the sons, they have constructed their respective portions.
What did your father do?
Father also had a shop, the same business he had.
Same business.
Subsequently, it has been divided between 2 sons. Both the present petitioner is also running a battery shop. The younger son is also engaged in the
Battery shop.
in an identical business.
And the father was also in the same business.
Father presently is not in the same business.
But he was.
He was.
Your mother is 74. Your father must be older than that.
Yes.
Not in a position to continue the business.
No.
And now you are torturing your parents.
Well, that is the issue. Everything crops up when the parents are in the custody of the younger son. This is a dispute between 2 brothers. The issue crops up from there. Everything was inquired into. If your lordship kindly sees before passing the order by the maintenance tribunal, there was an inquiry. The inquiry was conducted by, if your lordship
Listen, if there is an issue, you are well off now. You are with your own business. Pay money to your parents.
I'm ready to. They are not refused. They are refusing.
All
and
right.
They are in the writ petition itself. She claimed that she is not interested to take the money.
All right. Very well. And how big is the house where you all are staying?
It's a completely different arrangement. In the ground floor, the parents are residing. In the first floor, there is 2 separate apartments. In one apartment, the younger son is residing. In the another apartment, the elder son with his family has been residing. There is a separate staircase for approaching to the different apartments also. There is an arrangement made in the order for the arrangement of the 3 keys of the main gate so that every person can enter in their own way. Nobody need to be interfered with the other. Everything and every arrangement has been made in the tribunal's order. Lordship would kindly seize that order. Your lordship will find everything.
And the allegation that the lady was beaten up, she was in the hospital.
That allegation is there, Millet. That has been subsequently developed in the month of December.
And this lady was there in the hospital for what purpose?
It's recently,
Millet, I do not know what
FIR is there.
Millet, I do not know what document they are relying upon.
The FIR.
Millet, I'm coming to this. Millet, what instruction I have taken from my client, they have initiated a FIR.
Please wait.
They have initiated this FIR by way of an 156(3) application, initially which was not taken up by the police officers. And in the FIR, they have labeled allegation against the son of the respondent number 4 also, who was not even present at that point of time in the house. Lordship would kindly, my humble submission before your lordship will be that lordship would kindly see this is an FIR of December 2014. So substantial progress of investigation must be there. So Lordship, kindly call for a report from the investigating agency regarding the present status of the investigation, because if the investigation is over, the frivolity or the genuinity attached to the prosecution case should have been before your Lordship, my lord.
My lord, the medical report itself speak itself.
May I have a copy of them, then I can address your
আপনার
Lordship.
address first of all, my lord, how my learned friend is appointed, I don't know, because he couple
Appointed
of days
means? What
ha-
does appointment mean?
just a couple of minutes, my lord. He told me that he have no copy, nothing, no instruction. On 19 to 25, I served the copy upon him, my lord.
My lord,
Yes,
they
so
He have no information even.
he cannot get information from his client.
My lord, client gave a false information, my lord.
Sir, this is
What is
How can you say that his client has given him false
Yes,
information
my lord.
and your client has not given you false information?
I'm according to the papers, I'm making my submission, my lord.
Yes, I have followed your submission. What do you want? Your son to be thrown out from there?
Should not, without my permission, he should not be there.
Without your permission? For how many days he is there with you? You have given birth to him. Yes.
But
For how many days he is there?
but
He is forwarding money to you. You do not want to accept it.
no, my lord. Why? I never applied for the money. Your lordship.
So you do not want the money.
Because the younger son is paying, maintaining us.
So you do not want the money from the elder son.
No, he should
Let him
not.
stay over there. He will not disturb you. He will not disturb you. You are acting as per the instigation of the younger son. You want to throw out the older one from
No, my
there.
lord.
Order is
Well, well, yeah.
specific.
My lord,
Who
I will show you.
Who the key which will be in whose hand? Everything is
Where
there.
is the problem? Where is the problem? If he
Problem
does
is-
not interfere with your daily works,
My lord, that doesn't mean that respondent number 4 have the authority to torture, the physical torture to the parents.
where is the physical torture?
Hospital report is
No,
there.
hospital report does not say. It does not say. Please come. You do not want the money? You do not, yes or no? Do you want the money? You don't want?
my
Search
lord,
has been directed to pay
administrative
5,000 per month.
assistance.
You want administrative assistance?
Right, my lord.
What does
Your lordship
administrative
can,
what does administrative assistance mean?
protection.
Well, who will give you?
And
Who
according
will give you?
the police is dancing in the tune of the respondent number 4.
I'll permit you to engage your own security guards in your house. All right?
Who will pay this for this?
Your elder son will pay. Accept the money. Will you?
Or as your lordship, please.
No, you have to say. Because you have been refusing the money from your elder son.
No, my lord. Another thing, my lord,
Tell me yes or no. Do you want the money from your elder son or not?
naturally, everybody is need money.
No, just now you said you do not want.
I applied to the tribunal, my lord, for administrative assistance.
My lord,
Will you please specify? Do not dance to the tune of your younger son. This is exactly what you
No,
are
my lord.
doing.
There is a dispute and he illegally demolished the shop.
If
But the battery shop is no more, my lord.
yes, I understand
And
that there is a
already
problem.
writ petition is
Do you want any money from your elder son or not?
Yes.
Very well. Whatever is the direction, that will be paid to you. Where is your bank account? Give the bank account number.
Bank account আছে? No, my lord, I'm told that there is no bank account.
Open a bank account. The money will be transferred to your bank account. What?
As your lordship, please.
The
And my lord, torture, your lordship will not consider that severely she was beaten up.
the petitioner is a senior citizen. Stop. She raises allegation against her elder son.
মানে
Stop.
জমিটা
She approached the
আর বাড়ি করেছে
maintenance tribunal
হ্যাঁ?
and an order was passed.
কি দুই ছেলে করেছে সেটা তো রিফ্লেক্ট করছে
by directing
কোন রিপোর্টে
the two sons of the petitioner to pay rupees 5,000 each per month to the bank account of the petitioner. Stop paragraph. The bank account number of the petitioner was not provided to the elder son, for which the money could not be transferred. Stop paragraph.
And 60,000 was transferred through money order that has not been accepted.
My lord, 60,000 can't be made by money order. My learned friend is ignorant about the procedure.
I have a document to show there are 12 separate money orders.
10,000-এর উপরে কোনোদিন মানি অর্ডার হয় না।
These are the receipts.
10,000 rupees you say. It cannot be 6 money orders? Can it not be 6?
মানি অর্ডার।
Yes, this is the 12 money orders.
You have deliberately refused the money.
Well, that is the finding of the district
Yes.
magistrate.
The amount of rupees 60,000, which was forwarded 60, which was forwarded to the petitioner by way of money order, has been refused. Stop. The learned counsel representing the petitioner submits that she is being maintained by her youngest son. Stop. Her only